Have you ever imagined stepping into a place where time feels suspended, where the sunrise paints thousands of ancient temples in soft gold, and every breath feels like touching a forgotten world? That is Bagan, a mystical plain in Myanmar where history, beauty, and silence blend into something almost otherworldly. The moment you arrive, the landscape steals your breath. As far as your eyes can wander, over 2,000 temples and pagodas rise from the dusty earth, some tall and proud, others crumbling softly with age. At dawn, a gentle mist hugs the ground, while the sky glows in hues of peach and rose. Hot air balloons drift silently above the temples, floating like dreams across the horizon. It feels unreal, like walking through a living painting. Wander between the stupas and you'll hear the world slow down. The warm scent of incense, the flutter of prayer flags, the soft crunch of sand under your feet. Everything is calming, grounding, almost sacred. Each brick holds a story, each statue whispers a memory of ancient kingdoms and timeless devotion. Bagan isn't just a place you see, it's a place you feel deeply, quietly, beautifully. A golden wonder that stays in your soul long after you've left.